All right. So if I'm looking at this, what's the first thing you notice?
The angle is cut in half.
The angle is cut in half? Okay, well, the first thing you got to do is you got to look, you got to label your center, and that's something I didn't see a lot of you all do. You didn't label the center. So what you want to do is you want to say, all right, I know OA, I know OB, and then I know OC. Those are my radar, right? Greg, you saw what angles cut in half?
45 and 8.
Okay, he saw that this was cut in half. Well, that's good because you automatically know that this angle is how many degrees?
90.
That's 90 degrees. That's the first thing you need to notice, that this angle is 90 degrees. So if you see these two things side by side like that, that's actually the easiest one to solve, because what do?
Subtract 45 from 90.
Okay, so the first thing I want you to write is 90 minus 45. Okay, these are complementary angles. That's easy, right. Okay, all right, hold on. That's 45. That's complementary angles. Bless you. So if you want a label for that, you need to put complementary. That's when you have complementary angles. Okay, that's one of the first things you need to notice when you have complementary angles. Greg, you picked that one out really quick. You saw that this was 90 and it cut it in half, complementary angles. That's the first situation you want to notice. The two angles will be side by side where 90 degrees is. Marquise, you need to make sure you're writing this down. That position right there won't get that for you. All right. You don't have to draw a circle. Just remember visually. I guess drawing it would be good, wouldn't it? We'll do a screenshot of it because I'm going to save it. And then I'll hand it out to you in your notes. So that's 45. Okay, Akia, this is what you just spoke about. Okay, what did you say, Kendasia? Okay. What's the first thing I want to do? I want to identify my center. Now, do I need to draw those red lines on this? No, because I know that OA is the same length as OB, which is the same length as OC. Very good. All right. Because of that, now I am going to do this. Tell me what kind of triangle. I want to do a different color. Let's do blue. All right. What kind of triangle is this? It's not right. It's not equilateral. That means all sides. Isosceles. What tells me that? It tells me the two hashes, right? So since these two sides are the same length, that means these two angles are the what? The same length. Okay? That's what we have to be able to do. If I have two of the same sides, which these are the same length, then the angles that sit directly below them or adjacent to them are automatically the exact same measure. All right? And that's why Akia said that one was easy. It is if you know that this is an isosceles triangle. No. We're going to go one step beyond this.
What's that, like, from A to C, that's the chord?
A to C is a chord. Very good. Let's look at some other ones. Right. Yeah, if it's like this, yes, it'll always be 50. All right, so I'm going to put 50 in right there. So we're going to look at as many different scenarios as we possibly can. All right, so this one's not. Hold on, I got to pause this for a second. All right.